This is our 1995 Jeep Wrangler that we are going to be converting to electric. Today we're going to be removing the engine from the Jeep so that we can get started on the conversion.
In order to drive the Jeep again, we need to change the brakes and the power steering to electric because normally the way it would work is they would have a vacuum pump and power steering fluid pressurized using the engine, but because we don't have the engine anymore, we're gonna have to change to electric. So we went to a pick and pull place. In Calgary, and we got this, which is a steering assist that helps with steering. Here's a manual steering gearbox, and this is the electric vacuum pump. But we're gonna have to remove it in order to add the electric motor, and that's what we're doing today. We already removed the shroud that was right here that takes the air and puts to this fan. We took out all the coolant pipes, coolant cables, the fuel lines were drained, and we also took out the fuel tank. It's right here. In order to get this lift underneath the vehicle, we have to take the wheels off. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I welded this piece so that we can lift up the motor out of the Jeep. There's a little bolt back there. Where is it? A little bolt back there, right there, that we're gonna attach that thing to so that we can lift it up, and I'll show you later how that's gonna. So there's this little bolt down there that needs to come out. You can see that connects the engine on both sides and connects the engine on both sides. So we need to take those out before we can lift the engine up. So I'm going to use this giant extension on this breaker bar to get at the bolt so I can pull it out. Now I just have to do the other side. So in order to lift the motor up, we have this motor lift, and we have attached it to here, and more specifically to the air conditioning mount right here on the left side of the motor. And on the other side, we've attached it to that bolt right there with custom welded piece, and we have this cable, and that's how we're gonna lift it up. So this is where the engine connects to the transmission, and this is some liquid wrench that'll help loosen up these bolts here. Okay, so I am currently underneath the Jeep, and I need to break all these bolts and get them loose so that I can detach it from the engine. So I have this big long breaker bar and I just need to break it. Okay, this is the one in between the okay. No, I can't do it. Oh, I almost got this one. Yeah, I got one. Oh, I got this one as well. I got two of the bottom ones. This is the motor right here, and this is the transmission. We need to disconnect the bolts that connect the transmission. Earlier, I already broke these two on the bottom and that one up there, but I have to disconnect the ones at the very top. So yes, I need to do that. Breaker bar wouldn't fit, so now I am using the ratchet. No, not that. No. Okay, yeah, you can. Now I'm just gonna get it into position. There, so now it's just tight so that when we do lift the engine up, it'll be easy. So I just took out the motor mount that I broke earlier. Here's the other side down there, and those are the things to help that the motor rests on. And now we just have to take off the starter, take the starter out, transmission, take all the stuff out of the transmission, and then we can lift it up. Okay, pull this this way so it's not rubbing against the wheel. Slowly. Tell me, until the bottom of the can. Yep, just a teensy tiny one. Yeah, that's fine. I'll pull it over. That we took out, it has everything that was originally on it so that we could sell it. It was still in working condition when we took it apart, and yeah, we drove the Jeep a bit. It's empty. There's the transmission and everything there. We had to lower the Jeep. We had to lower the Jeep down so that we can get it up because our jack wouldn't go high enough. So yeah, there it is. There's the whole engine.
Thanks for watching the video. I will be doing more videos on the Jeep conversion in the future, so if you're interested in that, please subscribe. Their next video will probably be talking about our battery mounts, so see you then.